beautiful people, welcome once again to Clothing. And in today's video we're going to learn how to make a perfect circle skirt. Yes, we're going to be doing a circle skirt with our basic skirt pattern. Okay, just hold on, don't worry, we are not doing any calculation, we're not doing any pi r whatever. I'm sure that thing is confusing, guys, but your basic circle skirt pattern will give you the perfect circle skirt you need. So if it's something you're interested in seeing, please do keep on watching. Also, guys, thank you so much for the love you've shown me on here on this channel. I love you all. If you're yet to sign up for the group coaching class, the WhatsApp number to do so is in the description below. We're going to be starting that class real soon, and I'm sure you don't want to be left behind. Okay, it's going to solve all the problems, not even solving, it's going to address the problems you encounter with bodies, with neckline, with darts, manipulation, everything that you ever dreamed of. Even when you wonder, how do they sew this thing, this finishing is so neat, this class is going to address it. So if it's something that you know you're going to be interested in, do not sleep on it. Do not sleep on it, I beg of you. Alright, so like I said, WhatsApp number in the description below. You can attend from anywhere in the world. And yes, I think that's about it. Comment, like, subscribe, share my videos, and yes, let us go into the program of today. So guys, I have my back and front skirt pattern. This is my front skirt pattern and this is my back skirt pattern. So all you need to do basically get your normal skirt pattern. It doesn't matter if it's a straight skirt or a pencil skirt, it really doesn't matter, and just draw slash lines through. So we have 9 inches here, just divide it into 3 is fine. So whatever you have, divide that measurement into 3 and roll straight lines down. That is all you need to do. And I'll do the same for my back. This is my zip line for the back, so I'll do the same. I'll divide my waist measurement by 3. Let me use my tape so you can see what I'm doing. So I'll leave that zipper line and start from, this is my zipper line here, so I'll leave that part, I'll leave that zipper line and start measuring from this point. So that's no, my zipper line is 1 inch inwards, so I'll start measuring from there. I'll divide it by 3. Here I have about 9 inches too, so I'll just divide it, share it, okay, and divide it too as well. Just draw straight lines down. So you do your normal basic skirt pattern. If you do not know how to do a basic skirt pattern, please watch either of these 2 videos I have here. I've done so many skirt patterns on this channel, so I'm sure it's going to help you out. And this is my back. Now the next thing to do is, first of all, I have to determine how do I want my front to be, what length, what's the length of my skirt. I actually do not want a long skirt, okay? So my front length on this pattern here, I have about 20 inches. I'm going to actually reduce my front length to 18 inches because there's going to be a band here. I'll make the front skirt about 18 inches. So measure it, mark that point, mark the 18-inch mark, okay, and I'll roll a straight line on that 18-inch mark, like so. I'll cut it away. Then for the back, that's the zipper part. I want the zipper, that's where this center back is. This is my center back, CB. I want the center back length because my bum is actually big and my bum usually lifts the skirt up. So if my front is 18 inches, I'm going to add 3 inches to help reduce, to help make the back of my skirt, that's where my bum is, to relax well, so that it doesn't carry the skirt up and I'm looking like one something, I don't know. So here I'm going to make my skirt back, that's that back length, to be 21 inches. I'll add 3 inches to the back. Okay, but from what I have here, this pattern is not up to that, so I'll cut this front and add it to that back there, so that it will help. Okay, so my front is now 18 inches. Let me keep it here. Then I'll add this one here. So the next thing to do is I'll measure now that back. If your back length was up to front length plus 3 inches, that's fine. So I'm doing this because my bum is big. If your bum is not so big, you can just add maybe 1 or 2 inches, fine, or you leave it that way, both front and back the same length, fine, because there are some beautiful ladies with that kind of shape, so you don't need to add. But for mine, I just have to add. If not, my bum will carry up the skirt. It will not be like this, like a slanted whatever. It won't have the same length. So here now I can see that my back is about that 21 inch. Remember, 18 plus 3 is 21. And this side, I'm going to let this side be 18 inch, because this side is going to be meeting up with the front side as well. So the sides have to have the same length. Okay, so this is my front. So can you see that the sides will meet up? The sides of the front, check it that they are meeting up. If they don't meet up, trim it please, so that they meet up. It isn't really meeting up, so let me trim. They have to meet up. Okay, so if yours, like I said before, if your back and your front, there's no that kind of effect, you don't need to do this that you just did. So now that we have front and back, we can now slash through. Let me just label it. This is my center front, 1 2 3. Okay, and this is my center back, 1 2 3. This is my zip part. Okay, so now I can slash it through. I will slash this zip line, I'll leave it that way, my back and my front. Now I'll keep it one place, then I'll take my fabric. So whenever you want to do a circle skirt, please, I would advise that you use a fabric that has weight, you know, not those light chiffon or light silk that breeze can just blow and open, you know. So use something that is kind of a bit weighty, so that it holds, even when the breeze blows and everything, it still holds its shape. So we are going to go right to a broader place, so that I can show you how to cut a full skirt. Remember the front that we slashed into 3. Now I'm going to show you how to do the arrangement. Take this side, put it along this side like so. Okay, so let it be straight that way, and just pin it down. So I'll pin it down here. It doesn't matter if you use pencil or straight, just know that this place from the hip, make it straight. You don't need to start drafting another one. Okay, now that you've pinned that down, don't let it cut. Anyways, even if it cuts, you have the idea. This one should be just by this place, so it's going to be like a square. You're going to form like a square there. So I'm going to pin it here so that it doesn't move. I hope you're seeing. So this one will be straight here, and I'll pin this one down here. Okay, then the final one too. You see how I did it? You can spread it out how you want it to. I would even suggest that you start from the seam. So you see how I just did it? One here, one here, one here. So that's what you do basically. Then the next thing is to start measuring the circle round. Measure the length here. Here you have 18 inches, so you measure 18 inches round, mark it, go round. You just keep pivoting with your tape. So from here to here, 18 inches. From here to here. From that point, that corner where those two meet, just keep going 18 inches round. So you get to this point, 18 inches. Okay? So what I'll do is I'll cut that one first. I'll come here and continue measuring the 18 inches. So the next thing to do now is to cut this part open. So you see, we didn't waste paper. We didn't need to use another paper to start slashing and spreading. We just did this slash and spread. Alright guys, so you want to cut the back is you start measuring from here. Measure the length you have from here to here. Mine was 20 and a half, so I measured 20 and a half round. I pivoted my tape roll. I measured 20 and a half round till I got here. Okay, then I blended it. I didn't make a sharp cut there. I don't know if you can see that. There's no sharp cut. It's curved. Then from there I continued. I now measured here what I have here, and it was 19. So I kept measuring 19 round till I got there, and I curved it. There's no sharp edge, there's no sharp anything. So for the back you need to cut 2 pieces for the back, while for the front you need just 1 piece on fold. So guys, this is my back piece. I have 2 back pieces like so. So I'm going to sew it. I'm going to attach a zip and close this part up. I'll close this part up like 1 inch. I'll sew 1 inch close, and also the sides with the front. That's, I'll take the front sides. This is my front, and I'll attach it along the sides as well. Okay, so I'll sew everything closed. I'll put my zip, I'll put my elastic band, and that'll be the end of this tutorial. So every other thing we're going to be doing is on the machine. Let's go right straight to the machine and finish this up. Okay guys, so we are finally through. It's very simple, very simple. So this is the zip here. And I put a band. The band was cut just about 2 inches. So this is what it is on the inside. Okay, so I'll go ahead to hem the bottom of my skirt. So to hem it, just do tiny, or you just use your overlocker to overlock the bottom and just fold it in one, like 1/4 inch, and sew it round. That'll be fine. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for this circle skirt. I really did enjoy it. So we did just the full circle skirt, and this is really full. If you want to have that very full effect, this is all you need to do. Okay, so if you did enjoy this tutorial guys, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe. If you're yet to leave a comment, do not forget, you need to leave a comment. Okay, until we see you in the next tutorial, stay safe, God bless you, bye.